YouTube always makes me feel cheap, you know? It's like if you don't come into the video and be given something amazing right away, it's like you leave. And it's not nice or fair to me because I don't want to give you all my good stuff right away. You know, I want to kind of save it, I want to build up to it, and I want to climax. You know, it's kind of like a movie where it's like you're rewarded for watching it. You get to that point and then it gets good. That's something that I constantly feel like I'm struggling with because I want to build up to it. Anyways, that being said, I went to an outlet. At this outlet, I found deals. I have this problem where it's like Ariel always wants to buy stuff. I don't want to buy anything. And then I find crazy deals and I can't not buy them. Like I found this pair of shoes, $69, 40% off. I got these for $40. And then I have some nice shoes, and then people look at me like, oh, you buy these nice things, but you always say you're poor. And it's like, I am poor. I got no money, but how could I not buy a pair of shoes for $40? And then this t-shirt, 2 for $25, so $12 each. I bought 2 of them, and that got Ariel really mad at me. Anyways, we're gonna start off by looking at, I went for a rip. I accidentally hit the hyperlapse crap, so we got a stupid hyperlapse to look at. So we're gonna look at the hyperlapse, and then we got a nice HD rip. The GoPro recording actually worked. So if you want to skip the boring stuff, just go to the HD rip. Don't skip that, because that's the only thing I actually want you to see. But I don't want to stick it at the beginning of the video, so I thought I'd just tell you that. I also thought I'd tell you that if you're not subscribed, like, take care of that. Please subscribe so that either way I'm going to make more good content for you, and it's going to keep getting better and funner. Do you ever feel like that? Do you ever feel like the need? Have you ever liked someone and you wanted them to like you, so you talked to them too much and you told them everything about you, and then they wanted nothing to do with you because it's too much. It's too much to just give all that right away. You want to be able to hold it in. You want to be able to maintain some mystery.